Okay guys, it's me Imad from Nelson Darwin ParkTech YouTube channel. Today we will learn about how to find the length of a string variable within the R programming language. For it, first we need to write one variable name. And we have written str_1. You can write any other name of your own choice. Then assignment operator, that consists of less than and dash sign. It is the replacement of equality, okay, which is used for the assignment, but in our language we are supposed to use this sign. Okay, now we need to write here Wednesday. Okay, so this is our string. Now Wednesday is inside this variable. Why it is so? Because our variable is just like a container in which you can store certain type of data, but why it is going to inside this string inside this variable? Because there is an assignment operator. Now we need to use a command that is nhcr and chr or n character str_1, and this will gives us the length of the string, that how much. Yes, so you can see it is 9. Okay, like WED 3 4 5 6 7 8 and 9. Okay, you can do certain other work like str_2, and here we can write Monday. Okay, Monday and nchr str_2. now you can see that it shows us the length of the string as 6 and the first one length is 9. So in this way you can find the length of the string within the R programming language. So thanks for visiting our channel and don't forget to subscribe.